Hi friends, welcome to Kalanchiyam. If you are working in the development, if you want to know the best extensions for your Visual Studio Code, this is the video to watch. I'm here to explain about the best extension for Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's start the session. One of the best extension is Prettier Plus. This Prettier Plus is used to format your codings. Whenever you write the code, it will not be aligned as properly. We have to do the code formatting, right? For the purpose, we are using the Prettier Plus. There are two versions available: Prettier Code Formatter and Prettier Plus. Both are equally similar, but when you go to the Prettier Plus, it's available for multiple languages, like multiple technical languages, like Python, Ruby, and all those stuff. But when you go for Prettier Code Formatter, sorry. So for this, we have a less technical languages. So I'm going with the Prettier Plus. Just type in the search box. Okay, if you are in some other window, just click on the extensions in the left side panel. You can see it, right? So extensions. Search it from here, Prettier Plus. You can find two versions here. One is the old version 3.00. The latest version is 3.6.6. I'm installing the latest one. Just click on install. It is installed. It will not don't take much time. It's pretty fast. Now I'm just closing the extension window and I'm going to add a new folder. It should be the empty one. I'm just adding. I have already one with empty folder, VS Code. I'm selecting the folder and I'm creating one more folder inside it, which is test, and then I will create one more HTML file, new file, index.html. Okay, as we know, we added the Prettier Plus, whether it's working or not. We have to check it, right? So in the bottom right, you can see Prettier Plus tick mark is available. It's working now. If it is not working, so you can go to the settings and then type format. Here you have a two option. When you type format, you can see two option: format on paste. If you are copying from any other internet portal like code C# corner or something like that, if you want to paste it in your index.html or in your TypeScript or in your JavaScript, it automatically do the formation. And then when you click on save, it automatically do the formation. You have two options, and as well as you can find whether Prettier Plus is available or not. Type on Prettier Plus. So you can see that 22 findings available. Here you can see you want to tick all the things. If it is not checked it, you have to check it. See, the checkbox need to be tick. Just check it. It's like a semicolon, single. If some places we might be confused with, we have to use single quotation or double quotation. In that case, if you click on this one, it automatically find it for your language which one is correct. It might be a single quotation, it might be a double quotation based on your technical language which you are using. And then go, you can see for TypeScript it is available for Vue.js and it is available for AngularJS as well. If you have any doubts, you can go to the extensions and click on the Prettier Plus. You can see the shortcuts as well. See, and it supports the language like JSX files, flowchart, TypeScript, JSON, Vue.js, Angular, less SCSS, which is with the AngularJS and styled components. If you go for PHP, PUG, and Ruby, Swift XML, these languages it supports. Then let's discuss into the practical thing. Okay, I'm going to add header tag here. Header tag. Okay, see automatically. If you save, it automatically is aligning. See, it automatically aligning. Okay, if I add title and then next you want to body, also you can add it. Body section. Here you can provide some div. Okay, you can type the text you want it. Hello, Kalanchiyam. I'm pasting the same text in the title also. Then I will run this script. Okay, go to the Explorer by clicking the Reveal Explorer, and you can open it in the see Kalanchiyam and everything is coming. Okay, this way you can avoid and you can add the TypeScript as well. Suppose I'm adding a TypeScript now. App dot component dot ts. I'm adding a TypeScript file here. I'm typing constant flower equal to, I'm adding double quotes, but it should be a single quotes in TypeScript, right? So I'm adding double quotes and then enter and save it. Automatically tends to flower and in single quotes. And I didn't give the semicolon. Now the semicolon also added. Okay, this way it works. Okay, the prettier process very easy, and you can easily do the code formation in Visual Studio Code. The next one is JavaScript ES6. Okay, we'll go to the extensions search box, JavaScript ES6 code snapshot. Okay, this code snapshot, it's like you don't need to type all the codings, like you don't want to write a type end to end. Okay, you have to type only short form of it. Okay, for a sample, so you can go down. See, if you want to import any module, just imp, just type it, it automatically comes into the window. And then same way, everything is there, environment, okay, export and everything available. See constructor, if you want to type, so just type con, it's automatically constructor will be created. And if you want to add any method also, met, just you need to type a short form and then click on enter, it automatically creates the method. Same way everything is there. And then the console log, okay, whenever you are debugging, right, so at the time you need to know the debugging thing, right? So console log, console clear, console count of the some object, debug and directory, error, group and everything you can get to know in the JavaScript snapshot. It's a small library which is available in the Visual Studio Code. You can use it for the snapshot. Okay, I'm adding this and I will let you know like how to use this one. I installed it. It is also very prettier. You can see the 5% they give, like 5 stars. I'll go to the file. Here I will type imp and press enter. See, automatically when you want to import any module, so you can automatically add it. You don't need to type the whole module thing. Okay, the same way if you want to add the constructor, just type cn and enter, or you can press the tab, it automatically create the constructor. Okay, method also same way. If you want to write any method, met, just type, it automatically comes with the parameters. If you want to give get data, some parameter like value, and you can use it. Okay, same way ccl, console clear, cco, console object, sorry, console count. Okay, this way same everything is a snapshot. For 1 day or 2 days it will be difficult for you. After using this one, you will be feeling very good, okay, because you are not going to type whole thing, right? So it's very, very easy. Okay, this is one of the best extension when you are doing a development in JavaScript or like TypeScript or anywhere. The next one is Turbo Console Log. This is for logging in your console. Okay, go to the extension, type Turbo Console Log. Okay, you can find the latest version. Actually, the previous ones are available in the down. So I'm installing the latest one. Just install it. It's very fast. And then I'm removing the old code. I'm deleting it. Okay, I took the some of the sample code which is available online. I'm copying it. I'm just pasting it here. See the formation happen, the prettier plus. Okay, now I want to log something. Okay, I want to know this first name, what is coming in the console. Okay, there is a shortcut available, Control Alt L. Type it, it automatically comes. See, console log, it is in the student. Okay, class of student, and then first name, it's coming. It automatically comes. Okay, wherever you want, you have to just select the variable and press Control Alt L. Okay, now I want to know the person first name. Okay, I'm going to press Control Alt L and see, it's automatically coming. The method name is gritter and then person first name, it's automatically coming. Okay, same way you can do it for the for user also. Control Alt L. See, Console Alt. So you don't need to type whole thing console dot log dot something, you don't need to type it. It automatically comes. Okay. If you are done with the development, if you want to comment all, there's a shortcut available, Shift Alt C. It automatically comment everything which is available in the TypeScript or JavaScript file. If you want to uncomment, again you want to do some debugging, you just press Shift Alt U. It again uncommenting. You don't want anything, you want to delete it. There is a one more shortcut, Shift Alt Delete. It will remove from the page. Okay, this is most useful one because when you go for development, debugging is must for every developer. At the time we use console log. Okay, this is very useful one. Next we can discuss about the bracket. Okay, we have a flower bracket and we have a square bracket and we have a function bracket. Okay, it's too difficult to identify where it's opening and where it's closing. Like it's like white, right? So you cannot easily identify. For that we have a one more extension called bracket Bar Colorizer. Okay, sorry, bracket Bar Colorizer. This is the one. Okay, you can install. Just I'm installing it. It's a very less size. Okay, it's already installed. Now you can see it is in a different color. See, now it's added here. See, it's in orange color, and then see this blue color. So you can easily identify where it's opening and where it's closing. And the same way for like function bracket as well. See, so this bracket pair colorizer is to identify the flower bracket or function bracket or square bracket where it's closing and opening. This is the next one of the useful extension which is available in the Visual Studio Code. The next one is REST client. Okay, this is replacement for our Postman and Fiddler. Okay, you might be working on the Angular, React, or Vue.js or any front-end applications. Okay, you might need the response from some kind of Node.js application or .NET API application or Java API application. Okay, you will be getting the response from them and you will be binding it in your Angular or Vue.js. Okay, at that time you need to use Postman and Fiddler. Okay, here is the extension. You no need to install Postman. You can use it in the VS Code itself. The extension name called REST client. Okay, type REST client. Okay, it's available on the top. Just install it. Okay, I'm going to create a new file to test this REST client. Okay, I'm making one more folder, requests, and I'm adding one more file with extension of HTTP API dot HTTP. Okay, here I'm going to type get method. Okay, it automatically, when you type HTTP get method, you can see it automatically there is a type came as a send request. And then if you have any get request method, you can, this is a sample one, I took it from the internet. Okay, if you have a sample method with you, you can paste this with get method. There is a multiple methods: get, put, post, delete. We mostly use get and post. Okay, I'm using get method here, and you have to type http/1.1 and click on send request. You can see in the right side the result of the request. Okay, this way you can replace the postman and fiddler. The next one we'll try for the post method, because this is for get method, right? We can try for post method. But the thing is, you might be passing the parameter, or you might be passing the body of the JSON. Okay, I'm going to add one more post method. Post, it automatically types comes here. I don't know currently any post method, so I'm just showing it as a sample one. And same way http/1.1, and then if you are adding content type as a JSON, okay, you can add content type application JSON, and sample you can add it in the JSON thing, something like title, Kalanchiyam, and then body can be tutorials. Okay, this way you can add it. If you are going to use authorization or like token, you can add it here, authorization, and you can put the token key of it, something like it will be encrypted on, right? So you will be adding it. Okay, if you are having multiple thing, okay, you have multiple methods, you can declare it in the global level. Okay, just okay, you can put at symbol and then add token, and you can provide some token, and here you can bind it as it is token. That's it. Okay, you don't want 4 flower bracket, only 2. Okay, that's it. It automatically refer the global variable from the top. Okay, whenever it's secure, you can send the request, it automatically pull the response of the post API. Same way you can do it for put and delete as well. The next one is git lens. Okay, this git lens is used to identify the committed changes. Okay, okay, if you have a method, some ABC, okay, who committed earlier, who modified, when it is modified, okay, this option is not available in the git bash. Okay, when you install git lens, here's the one, git lens. Okay, if you install, it automatically comes. Okay, you have one more tab will be created here. Okay, if you have a repository, or if you have a Azure repo or Git repo, you can easily identify which changes are committed and which changes are not committed. And if you can see by keeping the cursor, you can get to know who committed this method and everything. Okay, this git lens is used to find out the changes and uncommitted changes. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe for getting the future video notifications.